Hello children, I'm your English ma'am speaking. In the previous session, we have learned the lesson missing trinkets. Today we are going to see the rest of the lesson. Before we start our session, let's have a quick recap of the story. Miss Mehta, who had lost her diamond earrings in her room, so she called Mirza to find her earrings. Mirza, a young and smart girl who was trying to solve the mystery by using available clues and facts. She inquired Mirza, milkman and gardener about the theft. Later she found there was another theft happened in that area. Mirza was immediately alert. The two thefts had to be connected. Now the word ball. Tears. 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 Repeat these words after me, children. Wailing. 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 Trinkets. 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 Crying. 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 Lost. 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 Diamond. 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 Earrings. 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 Detective. 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 Mystery. Mystery. Allergies. 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 Sneezing. 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 Porch. 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 Peed. 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 Suspicious. 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 Weed. Wirred. Weed. Summoned. 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 Let us see the balanced story of this lesson. Mirza was immediately alert. The two thefts had to be connected. Alert. What is the meaning for this word alert, children? Ability to think clearly in a quick manner. Next, she interviewed Mr. Sharma. I have no clue how the pin disappeared, said Mr. Sharma, shaking his head. It was there one night and gone the next morning. Mr. Sharma lost her tie pin. Mirza decided to visit every house on the street. To her astonishment, she found that Miss Hina had lost a gold nose ring the same way, and Mr. Ramesh a ring. I lost a worthless shiny hair clip, laughed Miss Honey. So many people in that area had lost their belongings, and it was not much precious, some small things only. Mirza was totally confused. Who was behind this theft? If that counts, astonishment, the meaning great surprise. The, the last stop was old Miss Ratna's house. She stood at the doorstep, stroking a fluffy black and white cat purring in her arms. Have you lost anything of late, Miss Ratna? Asked Miza, not stepping into the house. No point triggering another allergy from cat hair. Triggering. What is this word triggering, children? The meaning for this word is caused by particular action. The sweet old lady had not lost anything. As she talked, the cat jumped down and ran off. Miza watched as it climbed a tree nimbly and sat on a branch, staring at her, staring, an open-eyed look of interest. See, the cat was staring Miza, and Miza to stare the cat. An idea forming in her head. Nimbly, the meaning easily. Miss Ratna, she asked, can you show me where your cat sleeps? See, Miza got some idea in her mind. What do you think triggered any idea in Miza's mind? Yes, your guess is correct, children. Miss Ratna was taken aback by the strange request. However, she let Miza in, sneezing along instantly. Miza followed her to the bedroom where a small bed lay on the floor with a soft towel on it. It must be the pet's sleeping place. Miza lifted the towel gently, and there they were. So many things were there. A small diamond earring, a silver tie pin, a ring, a shiny hair clip, and a gold nose ring, all hidden under the towel. Oh no! It must be the cat? Oh my goodness! Said a shocked Miss Ratna. Whose things are these? How did they get here? Miza smiled between her knees. Your naughty ball of fur has been stealing things from everyone, she said. Stealing, repeated Miss Ratna, even more horrified. Ratna was extremely shocked. Children, do you think if your pet is doing this, how do you feel? The same feeling also Miss Ratna has. My little Ruffles is not a thief. I think she loves shiny things, consoled Miza. Consoled means the comfort. The cat was very comfortable with the shiny things, which means she fond of the shiny things. She climbs up pipes and gets into people's bedrooms. She then looks around and brings back anything sparkly and bright. I'm sure Ruffles does not mean to steal. The small animal cannot know the meaning for the steal. See, something attracts her eyes, so she has take it away. Ruffles' secret stash of treasures was returned to their grateful owners. You're the cleverest detective that I have seen, said Miss Mehta happily. Now Miss Mehta got her diamond earrings. She was very happy and appreciated Miza about her attitudes. Stash, a store or supply or something usually kept hidden. It was just plain logic, said Miza modestly. When I searched your room, I began to sneeze from an allergy. But you do not have any animals, and I could not figure out what I was allergic to. So Miza is telling in what ways she find out the theft. When I saw Ruffles, I suspected that she might have visited your room, and the fur that she had left behind made me sneeze. Logic. The meaning for the word logic is clear reasoning. Yet another case was solved by ace detective Misa. So everyone is appreciating Misha for his good activities and great work. Now, children, can you find out who is this? Yes, this is Ruffles. She was the culprit in this story. Now, children, what did you understand from this story, children? Is there any problem in our life we should not cry or upset? For that, we have to face and find solution for that problem. So whatever problems comes in our life, we should face the problems and find solution for the problems. Here are some steps to you to solve the problems. What are the steps? We have 5 steps. First one, define the problem. We have to identify what the problem will be. Step 2, brainstorm solution. What is a brainstorm solution? We have to search for it and ask others about the problems. And we can get lot of clues and facts also. Pick a solution. We are getting lot of clues. In that clues we can find the solution. Implement the solution. And the last one is review the result. See, these are the steps we have to follow to find solution for the problems. Children, or you understand this? And do you follow these steps to solve your problems in your life, children? Yes, very good. Now here is a new words. Tears, wailing, trinkets, sniffled, earrings, detective, summoned, wait, mystery, allergies, logic, search, sneezing, animal fur, porch, 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 summoned, 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 peat, peered, peat, suspicious, alert, 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 silver, 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 nimbly, 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 stash, stash, stash. Write these words in your notes, children. Now, here is the meanings for you. Peat, looked at something with difficulty. Suspicious, a feeling where you feel something wrong is happening. Alert, ability to think clearly in a quick manner. Astonishment, great surprise. Nimbly, easily. Stash, a store or supply or something usually kept hidden. Logic, clear reasoning. Now here is an activity for you children. Look deep to enrich your mind. We just saw that a mystery story usually describes a mysterious death or a crime, which is solved by careful observation of available clues and facts. The mystery in this story is, what is the mystery in this story? What is the problem? Yes, very good. Many people in Misa's neighborhood had lost their belongings, and no one was able to guess who the culprit was. So that is the mystery in the story. Now clues. Two clues that Misa used to solve the mystery are. So the first clue was, can you find the clue, children? You just tell what will be. Yes. Misa saw the cat climbing a tree and sitting on a branch. That is clue 1. Clue 2. Misa sneezed in Miss Mehta's house, even though she did not own a pet. Using these clues only, Misa found the problem and find solution for that problem. Now question time for you children. What kind of things did the cat like? Take the right response. Shiny things, clips, earrings. Can you guess the answer, children? Yes, it is shiny things. Name the people who lost their valuables in this story. So many people had lost their valuables. Can you tell their name, children? Yes, they are Miss Mehta, Mr. Sharma, Miss Hina, Miss Honey. Now, the third question. Your naughty ball of fur has been stealing things from everyone. Who is Misa referring to as a naughty ball of fur in this sentence? Who's that? Yes, your guess is right. The cat Ruffles. Whose cat is Ruffles? Take the right response. You know very well. Whose cat? The Ruffles is Miss Mehta, Miss Ratna, Mr. Sharma. Correct, children. Here is the answer. Miss Ratna's cat. She only has a pet in the story. Now here is a home fun for you children. Describe briefly how Misa solved the mystery in her neighborhood. So you can write the answer in your book. Children, I think today's session went well. I hope everyone understands the session. So write the answers in your notebooks and learn the answers also, children. Meet you in the next session. Thank you. Take care, children.